want to invite you to come to an event in Derby Cathedral on the 7th of June, starting at 3:30, on the theme of global hunger. You may have heard of the IF campaign. It's a campaign that was launched in January to say that there's enough food for everybody if we only could share it and organise its distribution better. Many people are signing up to this campaign. IF is a small word, but in relation to global hunger, where 1 in 8 people on this planet go to bed hungry every night, if we could do something about it in an organised way, then many of our brothers and sisters would have a richer and better life. In the Cathedral on the 7th of June, we're doing 3 things. We're inviting people to launch formally the work we're doing in a coordinated way in our city and county called Fair Share, which is getting together through churches and voluntary groups to feed those in our own county and city who are hungry and in desperate need. A lot of people involved in this. We want to celebrate that, coordinate it and launch a really powerful forward-looking campaign together. Secondly, in the Cathedral, we're going to look at the big issues of world hunger and get people to come and talk about the large picture and how we understand it better and make our own contributions. We're going to be working with Christian Aid and Islamic Relief and a whole host of other perspectives to get a focus on this issue of hunger and what we can do across the globe and locally. The final part of the proceedings will be when Pauline Latham, one of our MPs, and myself work with Andrew Mitchell, who used to be the Secretary of State for Development, International Development, so that we can use his expertise and the work that some of us have done on the big stage in Parliament to paint the bigger picture and again challenge us as citizens to see how we can contribute and how we can play our part in tackling this terrible scandal of hunger that 1 in 8 people suffer from. So do try and come on the 7th of June, beginning at 3:30 and going on till 8:30, moving through those different stages. I hope many churches and communities and voluntary groups will come and stand together, because if we can make an effort, then many of our brothers and sisters can benefit, and the world leaders who are meeting the following week for the G8 in Ireland will know that there are plenty of concerned citizens who expect them to make their contribution too.